Hello, I'm Julia Holland, founder of Cotswold Spa. That's Julia Holland, Cotswold Spa, offering mobile spa treatments to all you lovely brides and grooms before your wedding day. One of our therapists will arrive at Glenful House, your home or a venue of your choosing, and set the scene. Imagine warm, soft towels, a heated bed, soft music, and the fragrance of organic oils and body butter. Nothing to do, no more to plan. It's your turn to be cherished after many months of planning and decisions made. Lie back and relax, close your eyes and let our therapists give you treatments that take you to the moon and back. Special packages are for her or for him, as well as group bookings. These are a good idea because you buy a bunch of time and then divide the cost between those having the treatments. You can have one or more therapists, as that would take less time. Savour the moment before your big day and make your weekend last so much longer. Enjoy the time with your guests much more and congratulate yourselves on creating such a beautiful occasion. Treatments we offer are massage facials, body scrubs, manicure, shiatsu, body unwinds, and special techniques derived from ancient Japanese healing. Give us a call today. Book on 01 453 889 184 or info@cotswoldspa.co.uk.